Check out Stella Weds 250 GSM Ivory Cream cardstock. This card has a medium to heavyweight card that suits a wide range of craft projects. It's double-sided and the colour runs right through the core, which helps keep the finish looking consistent when the card is cut. It is also suitable for inkjet and laser printing, provided your printer can handle 250 GSM. Crafters who want a versatile card, it can be die cut, scored, embossed, printed, hot foiled and painted as well. If you need a vibrant card for your next project, give this Stella Weds cardstock a try. We also stock a large range of other colours, sizes and textures in our cardstock range.